You could call a cat fat, but definitely shouldn't criticize its hobby. If cat has a list of rivals, this red dot is surely on top. Okay, that's a nice backflip, but for what? This is not going to end well. And there, just as expected. Before her two best friends, she looked so desperate while trying to reconcile the argument. Get away before I do what I must. Still here? As you wish. As people always say, it's better to do anything together. Don't interrupt, he's being in meditation state. Bro's about to be enlightened. Cat is full of surprises, like he can be an athlete with that jump. And sometimes, they're just surprisingly dumb. If you've ever heard of the movie Three Idiots, this is it. Don't you see I'm eating? Point. 10 out of 10. If you think your life is already struggling, look at this kid. Can't tell whether he's drinking or washing. Call the police. We have a professional thief here. What is he trying to do exactly? Now that's impressive. Sometimes, teamwork just can't make the dream work. That height is just like a piece of cake with a hungry kitten. Ew! Can't you politely enjoy the corn like a gentle cat, buddy? Zoom in my face, count to 3, and click. Nothing for breakfast and a buffet for lunch. I mean, who doesn't love Juice WRLD's music while driving? When water is already tedious, nothing more can be. Bro, you should go to a barber instead of doing that in public. Actually, birthday is also a very important day for cats. Cat can sleep everywhere is a fact, even on food.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
Hello, lady. Wanna take me on a ride? Why buying a dishwasher when you can raise a cat?
You don't have to knock, you can just come in.
Wow, gentlemen here must have been taught really well. A scene describes all two status of cat. Where does she learn that move from? It's so awesome. Imagine winning a lottery. That happiness is the same as what Kitty has here. Remember what I said about cats' stubbornness? Sometimes it's not so good. Welcome to our show, A Normal Morning Exercise with Mr. Cat. Brothers are always there through ups and downs.
Aduh, tolong ibu, kekecilan ibu tempatnya.
So even the Hitler cat drinks water like normal one. You think someone turns on the button? Think again. Whoa, I just had a nightmare, pal. Someone pushes me off. And the comedy show today has come to an end. Thanks for watching and see you soon.